Good morning, Dr. Zuraimi. So now I explain our group assignment of signal and system. So my team member is me, Tan Kian Soon, Duha, Lee Min Jae, and Chai Min Fong, which is four group members. So now I explain about the section B, question one. So the section B, question one is obtain the complex Fourier series coefficient of the following signal ft in the figure. So as we can see through the graph, it is an odd function. And then we need to find that we know that when ft equals to 10, the range will be 0 to 1. And ft equals to 0 when the range is between 1 to 3. So we need to find the coefficient, and we know that the formula for a series coefficient is Cn equals to 1 over T naught integration of T naught, the distance, Ft times e power of negative j w nt dt. So we need to find the cross series coefficient. But before that, we identify that the graph is an odd function, and we know that the period with the t is 3. And then we need to find the omega naught, which is w. We find out that the formula is 2 pi over t. So we sub the period into it. We find out that our omega naught is 2 pi over 3. We substitute the t naught and w naught into our formula, which is our first one, Cn equals to 1 over T naught integration of 0 to T Ft e power of negative j w n t dt. After we substitute the period and omega naught, we find out that our formula will be 1 over 3 integration of 0 to 3 Ft e power of negative j 2 pi over 3 nt dt. First of all, we will separate it into two range, which is between 0 to 1 plus 1 to 3. But if we look at the graph, we know that ft equals to 0 when the range is from 1 to 3. So we can ignore it at is 0. So we need to only find that the equation is 1 over 3 integration of 0 to 1 10 e power of negative j 2 pi over 3 nt dt. And then we continue to find the answer, and we find out that the answer will be 5j over pi n times e power of negative j 2 pi n over 3 negative 1. So this is our Fourier series coefficient, which is Cn. After that, we need to find the Ft. With the Ft formula is sum of negative infinity to infinity Cn e of Jn Wt. We substitute the Cn into our formula, and we can find out that the answer is 5j power to 5j over n sum of negative infinity to infinity 1 over n times e power of j 2 pi n divided by 3 times t negative t minus 1 negative e power of j 2 pi nt over 3. So this Cn will be our probability coefficient, and this Ft is our solution. So this is our whole loop of our solution. Thank you.